At Circular Unity, our vision is to make sustainability simple. Today it's very hard to understand if our organization or a country or an industry is sustainable or not and where they stand. At Circular Unity, we create technology to make that process as smooth and automated as possible. We use artificial intelligence to predict several things. We collect data from multiple sources to understand what kind of resources the organizations are using, from energy, water, production of waste, what kind of products they are buying. And we generate reports that are compliant with the highest standards in the international scene, as ESG reports, circularity reports, carbon accounting reports, and science-based targets to reduce the impact that companies and industries are having in the planet. We established the Circular Unity last year in Portugal, Lisbon, and we launched our first solution in December 2022 last year. Our first clients started incoming in January, and after 9 months of operation, we helped more than 1,000 customers to become more sustainable. Today, we work with the entertainment, sports, tourism, and hospitality organizations, also the audiovisual industry. We work with arenas, we work with mega events of any kind, sportive events, sports teams, theaters, hotels, movie productions, TV productions. Events like these are the perfect scenario to measure. And we work on a global scale. We have clients that are coming from US, Europe, Asia, and South America today. Here at UNWTO, we are very honored to be indicated to receive the prize for innovating sustainability for mega events. And for us, it's an immense honor to have recognized all our hard work through the years to put this company together and start helping governments and organizations to become more sustainable. Today you can learn more about Circular Unity at www.circularunity.com, or you can find myself on LinkedIn, Eduardo Lebre. We will be happy to tell you more about our solutions and then make demos for you.